All right, so this one, it looks scarier than what it really is. So I'm going to say 3 times 1 over 4 raised to the x plus 1 is equal to, oh, it's not equal to, it's less than 192. Now, my suspicion is a couple of things. I think my base here is going to be 2. I think. And I'll explain as we go along. But the first thing I want to do is I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Because this really works when I have the base of something equals the base of something, raised to different powers. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, so this just becomes 1/4 raised to the x plus 1 is less than 192. What is that, like 60? Oh, that's not my calculator. So 192 divided by 3 is 64, right? Oh, yeah, that makes sense now. So now, first and foremost, I know that 1 over 4 is equal to 1 over 2 squared, which is the same as 2 to the negative 2. In other words, I'm going to say, and I'm going to write this like this, I'm going to say 2 to the negative 2 raised to the x plus 1 is less than. Now 64 is 2 raised to some power as well. I don't know yet, but we can find out. So, I do know, but I'll go through the process to explain it. So 2 times 32 is 64. 2 times 16 is 32. 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 4 is 8. Oops. Kind of in a hurry trying to get this thing done. And then 2 times 2 is 4. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2's. In other words, 2 to the 6th power is equal to 64. So over here, I'm just going to write 2 to the 6th power. Now, what's interesting, in order for this to work, now first of all, remember this rule, that I'm going to multiply this by this. And all of that has to be equal to this or less than this. So we're going to solve this the same way. So we'll do this. So we'll say negative 2 times the quantity x plus 1 has to be less than, right? Because if this power is less than this power, then that makes this statement true. Less than 6. So we're going to push the 2 through the parentheses. That gives me negative 2x minus 2 is less than 6. And our next step, we're going to add 2 to both sides. That gives me negative 2x is less than 6. Oops, we'll put my x in there somewhere. Then I have to divide that by negative 2. Now here's the interesting thing. That's going to give me x, but because I'm dividing by a negative, I have to reverse the inequality symbol. Oh, you know what? I screwed up, though, you guys. Oops. You didn't catch this. 2 plus 6 is actually 8. So this should be 8. 8 divided by 2 is negative 4. I was trying to hurry up and get the recording done in time. Okay? So it should be x is greater than negative 4. And that's it.